Hello everyone, this is my review of the OXO Good Grips 6-piece container set. These containers are made of a clear plastic so you can see what you have in them, and they have a lid that seals. It has a button on top of it that seals it and locks in the freshness of your food. As you can see, it has a seal around there and it seals pretty good. I'll show you how well it seals by lifting it up. As you can see, I'm holding on to the lid and it kept the seal. It didn't come off. So these are pretty good. They also come with a scoop inside of it that you can just lock on to the lid so you can find it easy and take it out, scoop your food out, and yeah, they are pretty good. I like them. They keep the food sealed for freshness and prevent rodents from getting into it.